The Tractor Who Cried Thief.
Thief! 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 Mr. Sheriff!
Come in, Sawyer.
Someone seems to be in trouble on the mountain behind Mr. McDonald's farm.
Roger that. I'll be your backup.
Help! Help!
Was this a prank, son?
Yes, sir. I didn't mean any harm. Playing pranks is fun, but screaming thief when there is no thief is very wrong. I'm very sorry, Sawyer. Send my apologies to Mr. Sheriff, too.
Don't worry, you're going to be fine. It's just a little...
Help!
Huh? Did you hear that?
Someone needs your help, Donna!
I'll be right back. Oh no, you poor little tractor.
Please help me, Donna.
Of course I will. Calling the road rangers, a little tractor seems to be in a whole lot of trouble in Mr. McDonald's farm. Everyone report.
We're on our way, Donna.
We're on our way, Donna. Help! Help! I'm stuck! Please help!
Oh, you poor boy. Don't worry, Sawyer will break you free from up there. Save your screams for the sad day when you really need help. Don't cry help when there is no need for it.
I'm sorry, Donna. I was just checking if the road rangers are alert on a Sunday, too. Help! Help! The burglar is stealing my sheep! Help! Help! Oh my God! Someone needs my help! I better notify Mr. Sheriff! Mr. Sheriff!
Yes, Frank.
A little tractor is in need! Someone is stealing his sheep!
It's that little prankster again, Frank. I'm not letting a single road ranger waste their time on him again. A road ranger working nearby could keep an eye on him, but that's the only help I am offering the little mischief maker today.
I'll do it! I'll keep an eye on the little tractor!
Ah, yes. I think you'll be able to manage that. Report back to me if you see something amiss. Wake up, Frank! Frank!
What? Huh? Oh, I fell asleep! Sheriff, I don't know if the tractor came out safe! He might be in trouble right now!
Oh no, Frank. We'd better hurry up. Calling all the road rangers. We need everyone in Mr. McDonald's farm right away.
Roger that!
What's wrong, Tractor? Why are you crying so?
Blaze! The burglar! The burglar! He stole all my sheep!
What?
What?
We're not going to let that burglar escape a second time. Let's go get him, Sawyer.
Oh, yeah! No one makes a kid cry on my watch!
You better clean up this mess, Frank.
Huh? Okay.
Don't worry, Tractor. The sheriff and Sawyer will catch the thief.
And bring back your sheep, too.
I hope. Oh no! The tracks are all over the place. Which way should we go, Sheriff?
Let's split up. You head that way, I'll go this way.
The tracks seem to be leading nowhere here.
Keep going, Sawyer. He's bound to be here somewhere. So, we meet again, burglar. Do you really think you can escape from the law? We'll see about that. Ha 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 ha! No one escapes the law. Let's get him behind bars, Sawyer.
Gladly.
Here are your sheep, son.
Oh, thank you, Sheriff.
Always remember, no one believes a liar, even when he is speaking the truth. I hope you have learnt your lesson now, son.
Yes, sir.
Of weather, we promise, no matter come what may, we're sticking together forever and ever. We may be birds of so many different feathers, we are all sorts, we are dumb and clever, we promise, no matter come what may, we're sticking together forever and ever. Best friends on our every endeavor, be it bright times or the darkest of weather, we promise, no matter come what may, we're sticking together forever and ever.
Look at the road rangers rushing to the car wash. The road rangers went to the car wash, E-I-E-I-O. And in the wash they had a shower, E-I-E-I-O. With a whoosh whoosh here and a whoosh whoosh there. Here a whoosh, there a whoosh, everywhere a whoosh whoosh. The road rangers went to the car wash, E-I-E-I-O. The road rangers went to the car wash, E-I-E-I-O. And in the wash they were scrubbed with soap, E-I-E-I-O. With a scrub scrub here and a scrub scrub there. Here a scrub, there a scrub, everywhere a scrub scrub. The road rangers went to the car wash, E-I-E-I-O. The road rangers went to the car wash, E-I-E-I-O. And in the wash they were wiped all clean, E-I-E-I-O. With a wipe wipe here and a wipe wipe there. Here a wipe, there a wipe, everywhere a wipe wipe. The road rangers went to the car wash, E-I-E-I-O. The road rangers went to the car wash, E-I-E-I-O. And in the wash they were dried up good, E-I-E-I-O. With a poof poof here and a poof poof there. Here a poof, there a poof, everywhere a poof poof. The road rangers went to the car wash, E-I-E-I-O. The road rangers went to the car wash, E-I-E-I-O. And in the wash they got some waxing, E-I-E-I-O. With a shine shine here and a shine shine there. Here a shine, there a shine, everywhere a shine shine. The road rangers went to the car wash, E-I-E-I-O. Look! The road rangers look dazzling now!